And number 6 cause is sedentary lifestyle. And in order to do test that, keep a simple physical activity log. And it will help to correlate physical activity levels with gastrointestinal health, such as our chronic constipation. And I did that. I went and did this test and identify if I don't walk at all, then the next morning I had severe constipation. I really have to push it hard, and my stools are very lumpy. Even when I am not doing any physical activity, my desire for drinking water or the thirst for water is less. So, in general, a sedentary lifestyle can hurt uh, the cause chronic constipation. And when I measured it, if I do not even move for 2,000 steps, less than that, my constipation was way harder. So that's how I was able to identify, okay, sedentary lifestyles can cause chronic constipation. It may not be the only factor. There are multiple factors that contribute, but this can be one of the huge factors. The reason why is physical activity impacts the gut motility. Gut motility is the movement of a stool across the digestive system from small intestine to large intestines and to through the rectum. But when you are not moving, then there is no sterolysis happening. I find it really difficult to pronounce that word, sterolysis, which is like pushing the muscles, pushing the stool downwards. And that doesn't happen properly. That'll impair the gut motility and cause chronic constipation. And when I started keeping it log, I was able to pinpoint saying, okay, even as much as 2,000 steps can be helpful. And then incrementally, I started adding more steps, 5,000 steps, 10,000 steps. Then I started running, started doing yoga, started doing HIIT. And that's how I'm living constipation free. So therefore, physical activity log can help identify and pinpoint whether sedentary lifestyle is contributing or causing to chronic constipation. Do this simple physical activity log, and that will help you identify the root cause.